If any of y'all remember, or if you're new to the channel, I used to have this green Forester that essentially started the channel. I had a WRX before, but the green Forester was the project car. Eventually, I got to a point with the car where I decided to sell it. I was left with a void. I didn't know what to do, so I went and I bought another Forester. The intent was to get a project car. Now I was looking at Hondas, I was looking at a bunch of avenues. By the time that I got to answer that, some really big milestones were coming up. So I am now a new father. So I was left with a $1,500 budget, and I'm obsessed with cars that are either running or have the capability of running, because in the event that I have to pivot and the project's not going to work out, I still have a running car that I can sell. In the time that I've been gone, I purchased this car and it's also running now after redoing the head gasket and timing belt and everything. Did not record that. It was so spread out and I was only supposed to do things like very sparingly that I didn't feel like I could put together a cohesive enough story to present to y'all. One valuable lesson that I will give you guys about motivation and passion is, if there is something that you are very, very passionate about, make sure that you find a way to do that as much as you can. Dive into your passion, because that's what's gonna regulate your emotions, regulate your life, and essentially make sure that you as a person have your cup filled where you can have enough of yourself to give that in the places that need you. So stay motivated. It's hard. Try to be consistent. For a while here on YouTube, I was consistent and trying to get the gears rolling again, and start getting consistent again is hard. So just know you're not alone. If you're struggling with anything, you want to talk about it, account information's here. Tell me what you're passionate about and what you have been trying to stay consistent on. Peace out.